Hello everybody, welcome back to Who Wants to Be Prepared? Our contestant Theo has been smashing the competition non-stop and is only 2 questions away from being a millionaire. Can you believe that? How do you feel, Theo?
I feel fine. I'm ready to win.
So, what are good ways to prepare for the CAASPP test? Is it A, get a good night's sleep, B, eat a good breakfast, C, don't eat any breakfast, or D, A and B?
I'm gonna say D.
Is that your final answer?
Yes, D. Final answer.
Correct! Now, this is the bonus question. It will be multiple choice and about Disney princesses. If you get this right, you'll get a friend with a line pass, you'll be the principal for a day, and you'll also get a $500 Starbucks gift card. Are you ready, Theo?
Ooh, I'm not an expert on Disney princesses.
So, which Disney princess has long hair in the movie Tangled? Is it A, Cinderella, B, Mulan, C, Rapunzel, or D, Mickey Mouse?
Well, it can't be Mickey Mouse. Maybe Rapunzel?
Would you like to ask the audience?
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay, audience, put in your answer. Wow. 100% of them put D, Mickey Mouse.
It can't be Mickey Mouse. He has no hair.
Are you sure? You might not want to go against big numbers like that.
Yeah, but it can't be Mickey Mouse. He wasn't entangled.
Would you like to ask a friend?
Yeah, ask my friend Sarah. She knows a lot about Disney. Hello?
Hi, this is Sam from the show Who Wants to Be Prepared. Your friend Theo has a big question for you.
Okay then, ask me.
Okay, so Sarah, who has long hair in the movie Tangled? Is it A, Cinderella?
Mickey Mouse.
What? You haven't even heard all of them yet.
I don't need to. Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse doesn't even have hair. What about Rapunzel?
I don't even think that's a real person.
Why does everybody think it's Mickey Mouse? They're all wrong. Rapunzel has to be the right answer. And I don't even know anything about Disney.
Are you sure?
I was, but now I'm confused.
Well, you have one lifeline left. Would you like to use 50-50?
Yeah, let's do that.
Cinderella and Mulan have disappeared. So now you only have Rapunzel and Mickey Mouse left.
Are you kidding me?
Nope.
It has to be Rapunzel. All right, that's my final answer.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm kind of confident it's C.
Are you sure, Theo?
Ugh.
Theo, think about the gift card.
Why would I be thinking of that? I'm thinking of the right answer.
Just give me an answer, Theo. I'm not here all day.
Fine. Mickey Mouse, final answer?
I'm sorry, Theo, but that's incorrect.